All things Zazen. Why Zazen? Wait, what if the problem isn't your unruly mind, but the way in which you understand it? What if the real issue isn't a matter of overthinking, but that you've never actually watched a single thought unfold, start to finish? And what if I told you that sitting still on a cushion might be the most high-performance, high-resolution tool for understanding ever invented? So let's talk about Zazen. Not incense. Not chanting. No spiritual selfies. Just sitting. Let's start by saying what Zazen isn't. It isn't about clearing your mind, or achieving inner peace, or floating into some blissful void. It's not even about enlightenment, at least not in the way you think. Why Zazen? First, to remove distractions and maintain alertness. But not for its own sake, but rather to slow the world down, so you can finally see what the hell is going on in your own mind. Think of your moment-to-moment awareness like a football game. Normally, it's chaos, players colliding, balls flying, announcers screaming. Try to understand the rules and strategy in real time. Good luck. But hit replay and slow it down frame by frame, and suddenly you see the linebacker baiting the quarterback. You notice the cornerback faking a zone defense. The beauty was there the whole time. It was happening just too fast to really see it, to really appreciate it. Zazen is the slow-motion replay button for our activity of awareness. You're not trying to stop thinking. You're removing distractions and sitting still long enough to witness the entire process of thinking unfolding, which is way weirder and more intense than it sounds. Because your thoughts, they're not just noise. They're your default settings. They rise up automatically, pre-programmed, conditioned, and without Zazen, completely unexamined. Zazen isn't about fighting thoughts or suppressing them. It's about understanding them. You sit, you breathe, you observe, and suddenly, the hidden machinery starts to show itself. Bird chirp, thought, self. Car door, thought. Chanting, thought, self. Bird chirp, thought, self. And in time, understanding manifests. This is why Zazen. It's not hypervigilance, nor is it checking out. It's persistent attentiveness to the normal activity of the mind. And posture matters. Upright, still, balanced, not just because it's supremely practical, but because it's as much a physical metaphor. Not advancing, not retreating, simply witnessing. And in that witnessing, you stop reacting. And in that space, things start making sense. Not because things change, but because you finally start to understand what's really going on. Zazen isn't about escaping life. It's about investigating the all of it. Frame by frame, by frame.